Welcome back, and this video is all about the subsidies given to promote drone use in agriculture. Recently, government has announced to promote drone use in agriculture, which is mainly to promote precision farming. And for this, financial assistance will be given under the scheme Submission on Agriculture Mechanization. More about Submission on Agriculture Mechanization, this was released in the year 2014 to 2015, which mainly aims to increase the reach of farm mechanization to small and marginal farmers and also to the regions and areas where farm power availability is low. And the financial assistance which will be given is available till March 31st, 2023. And under this, for farm machinery training and testing institutes, ICAR institutes and KVK, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, and state agriculture universities and other agriculture institutes for the purchase of drones for farming, 100% subsidy will be given, maximum up to a limit of 10 lakhs. And for farmer producer organizations, 75% subsidy is given. And for custom hiring centers which has been set up by agriculture graduates, 50% subsidy up to 5 lakhs will be given. And for new custom hiring centers or high-tech hubs which are established by cooperative societies of farmers and farmers producer organizations and rural entrepreneurs with financial assistance from Submission on Agriculture Mechanization Scheme or Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana scheme or any other scheme which also includes drone as one of their mission can get 40% subsidy, maximum up to a limit of 4 lakhs. And if agencies purchase drones to demonstrate drone usage, then 3,000 per hectare will be given as contingency expenditure. And if agencies hire drones to demonstrate drone usage, then rupees 6,000 per hectare will be given as contingency expenditure. Where contingency expenditure means all the expenditure for the agencies included under the demonstration under drone usage. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. You can also join to my Telegram channel. I'll keep the link of the channel in description. You can go check it out there. Thank you.